Chris feeding the wombat in Kuranda, Australia. Here comes another one. Says, I want some too. And behind Chris is a sleeping kangaroo. And I have a sleeping kangaroo right behind me. They've been fed so much, they don't want any.
Okay. That's it. Okay, stop.
I should have zoomed in closer.
No, it's good. It's high def.